Hello, my name is Maximilian MacDonald with Maximilian Motorsports. We're located in Chehalis, Washington, and we are the 2024 Bosch Module Shop of the Year. I would like to show you how we got there and take a tour of the shop. The business was started in 1993, and the only constant is the fact that we're always expanding, changing, and improving things. Though we may be small, with 6 staff members, our passion extends well beyond the scope of the numbers. It's not just a job, it's a way of life. Our mission at Maximilian Motorsports is always about people, but ultimately it's passion that keeps us going with everything. Training is an investment. It's an investment in the future. It's an investment into your shop. Electric vehicles are part of that. We've taken the time to invest. So we've purchased Priuses, we've purchased a Tesla so we could make sure that people are current. We do not practice on customers' cars. And in the past, we've even had apprentice programs and many other programs before that. At Maximilian Motorsports, sustainability is a big deal. Because truthfully, utilizing the best practices that help the environment a lot of times help the pocketbook. We fully utilize EPA standards as well. We donate our recycled metals to charity, and we utilize choices for the customer that allows their economy to be improved as well. This last year, we've really engaged ourselves with the community. We are engaged with helping Children's Hospital, which helps the greater Washington state, and we are very supportive of the local high school, Chehalis High School, and their automotive program. We sponsor students so they have the opportunity to go to professional grade training. Excellence is not merely achieved by one person, it's achieved by a team. And with that team, we have Bosch on our side. We've been involved with the Bosch Module Program since day one, as it allows us to have a quality product for our customer. It started with an email. I saw one from Bosch, and I actually do read them because I want to be kept up to date with what the program offers, but also technology. We will be having the great opportunity to be in Las Vegas as a recipient of the award to enjoy the AAPEX and SEMA show. Thank you very much, Bosch, for this great opportunity to be the first Bosch Module Shop of the Year.